Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to rotate, pan, and zoom the view in Blender. Very important. We won't be moving or rotating any object in the project, only the view. Before we begin, it's important to understand that a typical mouse has 3 buttons. The left click button on the left, the right click button on the right, and a scroll wheel in the middle. Let's get started. 1. Rotating the view. To rotate the scene, click and hold the middle mouse button, then move your mouse. As you move the mouse left, right, up, or down while holding the middle button, you can rotate the view around your scene. 2. Panning the view. To pan, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard, then click and hold the middle mouse button. While holding both, move your mouse left, right, up, or down to pan across the scene. 3. Zooming in and out. To zoom in or out, simply scroll the mouse wheel up or down. Scrolling up zooms in and scrolling down zooms out. So, in this video, we've learned how to rotate, pan, and zoom the view in Blender without affecting any objects in the scene.
Please subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.